No more low quality photos. I want to share with you how you can enhance photos to 4K and up to 8K better than Topaz and the Remini. This is the new way. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I hope all of my viewers fine. Request to new viewers subscribe to appreciate. We have this type of interface on the Prettyup app. This app already reviewed multiple times on my channel in the matter of video enhancer, separate and combination. And when it comes to the photo enhancement, I had review and reviewing photo and video enhancer from more than 3 plus years, and I have a lot of experience in this niche. So what I'm going to share with you, this is unbelievable. Even I am shocked after looking the enhancement quality. This is better than the Remini and the Topaz. This is unbelievable. So we have the privilege card available, free gift card for the end of the year in my opinion. So let's have a look into the feature. We have the HD photo enhancer available, but not we are going to enhance the photo, but we are taking it to next level like never before. As you can see here in the example, we have AI Hyper enhancer available in the Prettyup app. Let me show you the results after processing. This will take some time for the processing. As you can see here, the details is unbelievable in my opinion. This is better than Remini, better than any photo enhancer, better than the Topaz. And I am challenging all of the creators, show me better photo enhancer app than this one. This AI Hyper is on the next level. This enhance details like hairs, eyebrows, lips, even the pendant details or the jewelry details is next level in my opinion. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section if you know better photo enhancer than this one. So make sure share with me. And this app is one of the best when it comes to the CC color correction. I shared in one of my video enhancer apps with the combination. You can use it to take your photos to next level. We have export options also really good. Make sure to check out the tick button. This is the paid feature, but you can try it out one time free of cost for the few days. Prettyup app is providing you free privilege gift cards, and as you can see here, one of my cards is used, but this app required subscription. I know what I'm sad because I reviewed 50 plus video enhancers. The free card is in the use, as you can see here on the top of export setting as well here. So here is the look into side by side comparison of original versus Hyper AI from the Prettyup app. Better details, better resolution, overall photo looks very pleasant. It's not entirely changed the eyes, lips like the other photo enhancer apps does. A lot of photo enhancer enhance photo better than Remini, but change the eyes with the help of AI. So that's why I always recommended and said Remini is one of the consistent and one of the best photo enhancer. But this Prettyup AI Hyper changed my mind entirely. You can let me know what you think about it. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you soon with the new video.